Cove is one of the most budget-friendly DIY home security brands out there, offering complete systems for under $500 and no contract professional monitoring starting at just $20 a month. Now they've released a new generation of their system packed with some major updates, including a complete revamp of their alarm panel and integration with Eufy security cameras. So is this upgrade worth checking out? And how does it stack up to the other DIY systems? Stick around to find out. And remember, you can read our full Cove review or check out comparisons with other home security systems at Security.org. The link is in the description below. Let's kick things off by looking at the new Cove alarm panel, which is one of the biggest upgrades with this new system. The first thing you'll notice is its slim design, featuring a bright, easy to navigate touchscreen. The panel has multiple menus for quick access to different elements, including arming and disarming, panic alarms, sensor info, and event history. But the standout feature here is the ability to live stream video from your security cameras directly on the alarm panel. Cove has partnered with Eufy Security, allowing you to connect 3 types of Eufy cameras: a wireless doorbell, a pan and tilt indoor camera, and a wireless outdoor camera, all of which are viewable directly on the alarm panel. And this is an industry first for DIY systems. However, one limitation is that you currently can't view recorded events on the Cove alarm panel. Only live streams. Now, compare that to a brand like Vivint, which is a professionally installed home security system, a bit more high-end. And with Vivint, you are able to view recorded events on the panel, which they call a smart hub. Now, beyond the panel and cameras, Cove offers a broad selection of security devices, including door and window sensors, motion detectors, etc. But you can also get environmental monitoring with smoke and CO detectors, flood freeze sensors, even key fobs, and panic buttons. Now, one thing to note is that these Cove devices connect to the system and communicate with the monitoring center through a separate hub, which is a bit bulky, so you'll want to plan accordingly for where to place it in your home. This is a good segue to Cove's 24/7 professional monitoring, which has 2 tiers to choose from: the basic plan at $19.99 per month and the plus plan at $29.99 per month. Both provide live alarm monitoring with 24/7 agent support, alarm verification, battery backup, and more. However, if you want support for Eufy cameras, you'll need to go with Cove Plus. But as mentioned before, Cove is a no contract system, so you can cancel your monitoring anytime. Now, the Cove Hub provides the opportunity for a dual connection via Ethernet and 4G cellular backup, so you can feel confident knowing that if your Wi-Fi goes out, that you'll still be able to get that message to the monitoring center. Let's go over what that process looks like. If a sensor is triggered while your system is armed, the siren will sound and the monitoring center will be alerted. They'll try to reach out to you by phone or text to verify the situation, and if they can't reach you or you don't provide the correct verbal password, they'll dispatch emergency services. In our testing, Cove's response time was impressive, especially with the instant text feature, which allows you to quickly confirm the alarm or call off a false alarm. Moving on to installation, Cove is a particularly simple DIY system. All the sensors come pre-programmed, so you just plug in the hub and panel and the setup wizard walks you through adding each sensor directly on the panel. Most of the sensors use adhesive strips, so there's no need for drilling, and Cove even gives you a call at the end to confirm monitoring activation. Now, if you're installing Eufy cameras, they'll require a bit more effort since you'll need to set them up in the Cove app first and then link them to the alarm panel. Just make sure you're using the same Wi-Fi network for the system and the cameras. The app layout basically mirrors that of the alarm panel, making it really easy to switch between the two, and any settings or changes that you make sync instantly between the app and the panel. The Cove Connect app includes additional functionality for the Eufy cameras, like viewing or downloading recorded events, but there are a few limitations to be aware of. One being that the Cove Connect app doesn't include all of the features and control options that you'd find in the Eufy Security app, including adjusting resolution or time between recordings. Another is that there isn't a cloud recording option, which is something that we've come to expect with modern home security systems. Instead, all camera recordings are saved locally to an SD card. In general, Cove Connect is a solid app, but it definitely isn't as in-depth or flashy as apps we've seen from Simply Safe or Vivint, for example. All in all, Cove's latest system is a good choice for anyone seeking a straightforward, no-contract security solution with a simple DIY setup. It combines unique features like on-panel live streaming from Eufy cameras with reliable and affordable 24/7 professional monitoring. And while it may not have the advanced app controls or cloud storage options that we'd love to see, Cove does strike a great balance between affordability and functionality, especially for those users who love the traditional alarm panel experience. And that'll do it for today's video. Thanks for sticking around. For more details on Cove and the other top home security systems, be sure to check out Security.org. We have those links in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.